Now if you want to learn more about a particular command, you need to enter the command dir space /? Then it will show you all the supported attributes for that command, guys. Now as you can see, like it is showing all these commands. Like we entered dir/s, right? Instead of that we can also enter /b/c. It will be showing like what it is, so you can directly search, you can read about it. Like it is showing an option to sort by folders or files in order, and also it is only shows the base path. So I'll show you one interesting command here for this. Like as we are inside the test folder, right? Now dir/b/s. Now it will be showing all the folders and files only with the paths instead of file when it was created and time. It will not show all those, guys. Can you see? Like when I enter dir/b/s, it is showing all the files and folder paths. Like these are helpful if you are doing the code review, to list all these files and put it in an Excel sheet, guys. So we'll also cover this in terms of security testing perspective too. So this is about dir command, guys. Now you understood how to use this particular dir command on this. Like if you want to search for a particular file in this, like let's say you are on the desktop, you don't know like in which subfolder you have put one particular file. If you want to search for that, you need to dir star. I don't know the file name, so I only know little portion of the file name. Like it could be something like rich. Then I'll enter star again. That means like whatever may be the before, whatever may be, and after rich, whatever it may be. So it is searching for any file name which is containing the rich word. It is case sensitive, guys. So now if you enter this particular search, it is showing file not found. That means it was searching only in this particular folder itself. So if I enter /s, it has to search in all the subfolders, then it will show us, guys. So it is showing all the things, like all the file names which is having the word called rich in that. Can you see, guys? It is rich. So it's not case sensitive, guys. I was mistaken. So like rich, I am very much confused with multiple operating systems. So as it was shown here, now if I'm just closing it. If I want to only get the, like /b, means I don't want to get all these time or dates, so I just enter /b, which all the file names which are containing the rich word will be shown like one by one in a neat order. Can you see, guys? I'm just terminating now. Yes. In between, if you want to terminate, you just have to Control C, guys. That means it is stopping the command from execution. Hold the Control and C. Thank you, guys.